The souls of the two girls are there. Challenge me. Take anybody there who is not like me, better than me, and they will tell you the truth. I'm saying this thing for you to believe that there are things that must be done the way, not by prayer. These are traditions, and they are not fetishism. So the girls that we are all making noise, and say, no, where you fear wo, where yawoko. So families must be told, yes, they are in pain, but they should not be clouded with their pain and do mistakes. If they don't take care, repetition will come. Hey, Abayin grant to me, Abayin pose, the dead body belongs to the family. Abayin mram pose. But dead bodies are not supposed to be taken into the church. But this is not what we are teaching you. We are teaching why the spirit of the children must be dealt with. We are teaching why nobody must make a mistake. Because the two girls, is their